power of baking soda. Top health benefits revealed. Welcome back to our health channel. Today, we're diving deep into an often overlooked yet incredibly versatile household staple, baking soda. Also known as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is a simple, natural substance with a myriad of uses that extend far beyond the kitchen. From personal care and hygiene to health and wellness, the benefits of baking soda are truly astounding. Let's explore the top health benefits of baking soda and how it can significantly enhance your daily life. Natural antacid. Closely related to its use for heartburn and indigestion, baking soda acts as a natural antacid. Many over-the-counter antacids contain sodium bicarbonate as their active ingredient. By neutralizing excess stomach acid, baking soda helps alleviate discomfort from conditions such as peptic ulcers and gastritis. This makes it a great cost-effective alternative to commercial antacids, especially for those looking for natural remedies. Kidney health. Baking soda may benefit individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. CKD can cause the kidneys to struggle with removing acid from the blood, leading to metabolic acidosis. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate can help slow the progression of CKD by neutralizing acid in the blood. Regular intake of baking soda under medical supervision can improve kidney function and overall health outcomes for those with CKD. Oral health and hygiene. Baking soda is a popular ingredient in many toothpaste brands due to its mild abrasive properties and ability to neutralize acids in the mouth. Regular brushing with baking soda can help remove plaque, whiten teeth, and freshen breath. Additionally, its antibacterial properties can combat harmful bacteria that cause gum disease and tooth decay. For a simple homemade toothpaste, mix baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste and brush your teeth as usual. Alternatively, you can use it as a mouthwash by dissolving half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swishing it around your mouth for a minute before spitting it out. Skin care and beauty. Baking soda's gentle exfoliating properties make it an excellent addition to your skincare routine. It can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reduce acne breakouts. To create a natural exfoliant, mix baking soda with a small amount of water or coconut oil to form a paste and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Baking soda can also be used to soothe irritated skin, such as from insect bites, sunburns, or rashes. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and itching. Simply mix baking soda with water to create a soothing paste and apply it to the affected area for relief. Foot care. Baking soda is a fantastic remedy for tired, achy feet. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties help treat foot odor, athlete's foot, and fungal infections. For a relaxing foot soak, dissolve 3 tablespoons of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. This can help soften calluses, remove dead skin, and leave your feet feeling refreshed and odor-free. Enhancing athletic performance. Believe it or not, baking soda can enhance athletic performance, particularly in high-intensity activities. This is because sodium bicarbonate helps buffer the production of lactic acid in the muscles, which can delay fatigue and improve endurance. Some athletes take baking soda supplements before competitions to improve their performance. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying this, as improper use can lead to gastrointestinal distress. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Enhancing cancer treatment. Recent studies have explored baking soda's potential role in enhancing cancer treatment. Some research suggests that the alkaline nature of baking soda can make cancer cells more susceptible to chemotherapy by creating a less favorable environment for tumor growth. While this is still an emerging area of study, it highlights the potential of baking soda as an adjunctive therapy. Always consult with an oncologist before incorporating baking soda into any cancer treatment plan. Relieving sore throat. A sore throat can be a painful and persistent problem, especially during cold and flu season. Baking soda can help soothe a sore throat by reducing inflammation and killing bacteria. Gargling with a mixture of baking soda, salt, and warm water can provide relief and promote healing. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds before spitting it out. Managing autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Recent research has indicated that baking soda may help modulate the immune response, reducing inflammation and the severity of autoimmune reactions. By promoting an anti-inflammatory environment, baking soda could potentially benefit conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis. However, more research is needed to fully understand these effects, and it should be used under medical supervision. Allergy relief. Baking soda can act as a natural antihistamine, providing relief from allergic reactions. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and itching associated with allergies. For topical relief, mix baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it to the affected area. For respiratory allergies, dissolving baking soda in water and using it as a nasal rinse can help clear nasal passages and reduce congestion. Alleviating body odor. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can help neutralize body odor. Its antibacterial properties combat odor-causing bacteria, making it an effective and natural alternative to commercial deodorants. To use, simply dust a small amount of baking soda under your arms or mix it with coconut oil to create a homemade deodorant. This can help keep you smelling fresh throughout the day without the use of harsh chemicals. Hair care. Baking soda can be a great addition to your hair care routine. It can help remove product buildup, balance scalp pH, and reduce dandruff. To use baking soda as a clarifying shampoo, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water and pour it over your hair, focusing on the scalp. Massage gently and rinse thoroughly. This can leave your hair feeling clean and refreshed. Additionally, baking soda can be used as a dry shampoo by sprinkling a small amount onto your roots and brushing it through to absorb excess oil. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay healthy. Take care. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. All information here is verified by professional researchers,